everybody, it's Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Today I have a little 8x8 staple back canvas, and I'm going to try a bloom technique using only acrylic paints and Floetrol. First of all, I'd like to give a shout out to Naptime Creations. I watched a video of hers yesterday, and she tried it with just the acrylic paint and the Floetrol, and she had pretty good success. So I thought, well, I'll give it a shot. If we can make it a little simpler, we'll see if we can do that. So what I've done is I've put a pretty good layer of a very light yellow acrylic paint, and I think it's a combination of Blick yellow and Artist Loft Flow acrylic white. And that is a 2-part Floetrol to 1-part paint mixture. Let's go over my paints I'm using. For my colors, I'm using mostly US ArtQuest paints. I have permanent green medium. I have Indian red hue. And I have orange. These are US ArtQuest Perfect Pigment paints. And my last paint is Blick copper. I had some Blick copper left over, so I thought I'd give that a try too. So the pouring medium for my colored paints is 1 teaspoon of paint. No, I'm sorry, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. No, I'm sorry, 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint to all my paints here. My topper, I'm using the Amsterdam titanium white, and that is 1 teaspoon of the paint to 2 3/4 teaspoon of the Floetrol. So that is the topper. So I hope I didn't confuse you at all with that. The paints are 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint here. So let's get started laying these down. We'll just see how this goes. I did buy all the ingredients to do the bloom technique the original way, but I thought I'd just give this a try today. No silicone is added to the paints at all. So I thought I would just try it first and just blow this out myself. And then tip it, see what we get. And the orange. And some of that copper. I haven't done the bloom technique very much at all. This might be only my 2nd or 3rd try at it. And here's the topper, or the cell activator, I guess you call it also. Okay, and now I'm just going to try and blow it down and out. See what I get. Okay. I'm just going to let it set there and come back up, see if anything forms. Today we have a very sunny day here, which is nice, even though we have lots of snow out there, and layer of ice here and there. Just having that sunshine feels really good today. Okay, I'm going to try and start tipping now and see what happens. I really did want to start with a small canvas here. I did not take Shelley Art's class, so I'm not sure if there's a method that you're supposed to do the tipping. I've watched a lot of other artists do it. And I do know that there's a lot of tipping involved. You want to stretch out your paints to achieve the cells and the lacing. That's so pretty. I'll try and get some paint to come on this other side here. And go over that corner. And I will take a look at it. I think I will try and just tip down this way a little further. If I can get some of that paint to come off. It is coming very, very slowly here. Get some to run off this corner here. And this side. And then I will bring it back. Try and take off just a little of that yellow there. Give it a little bit more depth. Just a little bit this way. Okay, take a look at it now. I am pretty happy with it. Lacing and cells have appeared, and now I'll do a torch on it. And I will put in the description the recipe for the paint. And I'll clean off the bottom now. Some of the copper did come through, which makes me pretty happy. Okay, I can get you down for a close-up. You can tell me what you think. Okay, this is the upper left-hand corner. And I did get some lacing in there, some cells. That's the lower left-hand corner there. I'll take you right over, right here it's very nice too. Nice cells there. And this is the lower right-hand corner. Very pretty in here. And I did get some lacing in here. And the upper right-hand corner. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share it. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure you hit the bell and choose all so you'll know the next time that I do post a new video. Until next time, take care everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye.